You already know what's going on, guys. What's this, the second stream? Yeah, back at it again. Going over my $10,000 portfolio. And before we even get started, it's not $10,000. It's more than that, but being from where I'm from, I'm not about to tell you how much it really is, but I'm gonna tell you what I am invested in. But just so you don't think I'm capping, remember when I came out with this video called I lost $10,000 of crypto, Ripple? Well, we're gonna start right there because Ripple is my biggest position. And just so y'all don't believe that I'm not capping, I got it on Coinbase. It says, oh, let's do this. It says, let me see. Yeah. I don't know if is that gonna work? Kinda. So it says not supported. See, that's live. This ain't gonna work. Thought it was too much light. Well, anyway, I'm gonna move on. But that's my biggest. It's went all the way up to 20,000. I've got about 10,000 coins of that, and now it's at $8,400. So we'll start off with that. So that is one of my biggest positions right there. And then let's see, what do we have next? I made a whole list. So yeah, the thumbnail is clickbait. Went over that. We talked about that. Not trying to get robbed. The second thing I have, which is my biggest position, is I'm staking on crypto.com. So we got USDC. And I put a link in the description. So if y'all want to start staking on crypto.com, you could pretty much do that. I started slowly moving most of my positions from Coinbase. Obviously, I haven't moved Ripple simply because from what I heard, and I could be wrong, is when you transfer stuff, it technically counts as you selling something, and I don't want to do that. So I'm just leaving it where it is. I mean, and hoping that it continues to grow. I bought it at like 25 cents anyway, and it's at 82, but it went all the way up to like $2. So yeah. What else do we have going on? So the second biggest thing, which is in my portfolio, is the US dollar coin on crypto.com. I got that. I'm getting probably about 10%. You get 10% on your money when you hold it for 3 months. So I did that. And then from there, crypto.com is one of my second biggest positions. I got that at 20 cents. And I'm trying to move up to the next tier. Card, a little metal card. So I might continue to keep buying that. Then we got some VeChain, Stellar, XYO. I'll be honest with you, some of these coins I just started, like, I hear people talking about it on the internet, and I just cop just to, have a little bit in it. We got some Polygon, SIA coin, Gala. Oh, Gala Games was one of the coins. I just bought that today after I heard this gentleman talking about it.
What is it?
So let's take a look at his video real quick, and I'll react to it. Seemed pretty cool, so I ended up buying some just to, Let's see.
Future millionaires, well, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike the Investor, and today we're going to be touching on Gala Games' $5 billion ecosystem investment. What is that money going into? We're also going to be touching on their strategic partnership with the legend Snoop Dogg himself. He used Gala Games to launch his first NFT album, and this also essentially created the first decentralized music record company in the world. And based off of my research, he has already sold over 17,000 out of the only 25,000, which has made Snoop Dogg already $85 million because of.
So right off the bat, I was like, oh, Snoop Dogg's in it, I'm in it. No, I'm just kidding. But no, it did seem pretty interesting to me, especially after I seen the whole Tory Lanez thing when Tory Lanez sold his album on NFTs, and I think he sold it for about $1. and he made a million copies and sold $1 million worth of it. Honestly, I don't understand how it works, but between editing and all of that stuff, I don't really have the time to do all of that YouTubing and figuring it out. I figured crypto is kind of like my gambling fix for me. Like, I'm gonna throw some money in there and like leave it in there, diamond hands it, unlike meet Kevin, and like hope for the best, see what works out. But like I said, if I lose this money, I mean, life's gonna go on. I still got a good job. YouTube's gonna start to pick up hopefully in the future too. So I'm not really stressing too much about the money that I'm putting into it. But let's continue to see what he's talking about.
It's $5,000 per stash pack, which is crazy. And so we're going to be diving into all of that in this video. Now, I do have timestamps in the description below, but before we actually dive into the first part of this video, I want to take a brief second to talk to you about crypto.com, one of the fastest growing exchanges in the world. The most expensive NFT sold was for $3.
All right, never mind. I'm not gonna go through this whole video. Y'all can check it out, but I did end up buying some of that today just because he was talking about it, and it seemed pretty interesting. Then we got some Shiba Inu. You know, I came out with that whole Shiba Inu video and made a playlist for hopefully to get monetized. I'll still be burning some of that as the videos come up. And I'm not gonna lie, some of these positions I'm in, I have no idea. Like Hedera hash graph, yeah. Reserve rights, Harmony was a good one. Nervous Network, Dogecoin. Obviously, we know everyone knows what Dogecoin is. IOST, VVS Finance, Zilga. And all of those were just stuff like, but when I got on crypto.com, I really wanted to do the whole staking thing because like if I'm holding on to money, I'm not going to spend it on a new watch or buy a new car or anything like that. I'm trying to, invest this money long term so I can have something, in the future. So we have now I'm looking at my crypto.coms, the things that I'm staking. So I'm staking US dollar coin at 10%. That's a 3-month stake, and I've been holding that for like 16 days so far. Crypto.com get 6%. And the reason why I want to step my card up is because from what my understanding is, once you get to the higher level the card is, the more interest rate they give you. So that's why I'm trying to get to the next level on my crypto.com. And I was there, but it was staked on the actual app, which to me was stupid because I did have it. I'm just saying I had it above $4,000 before it dropped back. It went up to like almost $1, and I had over $4,000 in that. And then what happened? Obviously it crashed. The market crashed a little bit, but now I'm just sitting here like, why can't I have it? If I had it staked on the crypto app, they should have upgraded my card, but they didn't. And now I'm just waiting for it to expire, and then I'm gonna probably buy some more crypto.com regardless of the price, and put that on the card. Then that's more US dollar coins. Stellar at 2%. We got VeChain at 2%. Polygon. I wanted to buy a whole lot more because Polygon was at 10%. And the thing about it is like, let me see. Oh, they'll tell me what I bought Polygon at. I bought Polygon at $1.60. It's at like $2 right now. So I'll just tell you, it's not that big of a deal. It's only $400. I've got 250 of the Polygon. I would have bought more because you get a 10% interest. So as it rises in prices, so say if it goes up to $10, I'd have $2,500 at a 10%. As long as, these interest rates are obviously subject to change, but 10% of $2,500 is $250 a year, and it's probably going to continue to go up. So I started off putting a little bit of money in it, and it continued to go. So the only reason why I didn't buy more, because I love that 10% interest rate, was because I thought it was going to continue to go down. So I bought a whole bunch of stuff. I want to say I got close to the bottom when I started buying stuff, and I was just lucky. That was just fortunate. But I thought it was going to continue to fall. So I didn't buy as much as I want. Like, I would love to be sitting on at least 1,000 of Polygon at a 10% rate, but that didn't happen. And I'm just going to wait and see what the market continues to do, because I still got like all this the staking that I'm doing with these US dollar coins. If the market starts to crash, when those expire, I'm just going to drop that and put that all in crypto. I think I'm actually kind of maxed out with crypto though, so I might start looking back into like the stock market as well. But VeChain at 2 cents. I got Shiba Inu at 2 cents, and Harmony is at 4 cents. Dogecoin at 2 cents. So that's in one of my apps, because we getting money. So that's in crypto.com. Obviously, I already said that. What did I say? I was just going to do my crypto, or we're not going to go into my stock portfolio. If you want me to do that, let me know. This app I'm on is called Voyager. My biggest holding in Voyager is TRX. And then from there, let me pull this up. I'm not staking anything in these apps. So like at the time, I was just trying to get into the different coins, and like reason why I have different apps is kind of annoying, but it's pretty much because different, like none of the apps had all of the coins. Some had this one, some had that one. So on this app, I got I got $20 of Bitcoin. So I'm gonna try not to spend that all in one place. Some more Dogecoin on this app. This TRX, EOS. I've been taking losses in this app, but this is because I was holding it for so long. I forgot about this app because I'm getting money. So let's see. I bought TRX, average cost of 8 cents, and it's 6 cents right now. I bought EOS at $4.57, and it's at $2.56 right now. CKB, I got a decent chunk of change of that. Average cost of 2 cents. I think I bought some more of that when I now that the market was crashing. And BTT, I lost a decent chunk of change in BTT as well. Oh no, it doesn't say that it's that bad. Oh, I guess it's bounced back. But yeah, I've got a lot of shares. I've got a lot of BTT. Let me see. Do I have anything in the Trust Wallet? Trust Wallet, I have $75. I don't even know what we use Trust, but BT. I have some Binance, 0.13, $55. Got some more TRX, and I think that's pretty much it for my portfolio. So what I'm looking forward to doing in the future is pretty much, I'm not sure if I'm gonna continue to buy crypto, because I think I have a decent amount for my network. But for the most part, I might go into like stocks and all of that, and then figure it out, because I don't know. That's pretty much. I just wanted to make a short video. Shout out to John that came through, the one person. I'm gonna shoot that right back at you. But yeah, that's it. That's my portfolio. Little $10,000. Well, I already said it was 8 plus the 4 there. That's 12. So it's clearly over that. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all. Y'all stay cool. How y'all be cool, and I'm out.